Hello everybody. Today we are gonna count the eggs of the ducks. So they might be 13. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's be careful since the eggs might roll off the table.
6. Then
11, 12, 13, 14. So guys, kanina akala pa mali since they were 13 but they were actually one step more bigger.
It's how many?
It's 14.
Wow. You balik na.
So guys, don't forget to miss the eggs since the eggs might roll off the table and crack.
Bye guys.
And bye guys.
See you soon.
See you soon.